Hi guys, my name is Dean Gintel from DinOnlinePitch.com, and you're watching one of my review videos on the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Electrify. Stay tuned. Okay, now in this video, I'll be making a review and demo of how Electrify works. And now as a reminder, the discounted price for this digital product launch is limited time offer. So make sure to pick this up before the price will go up soon. And now I'm offering you this digital product for a discounted price. So if you can click the link down below in this video to check it out. And I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses, and will show you how you can get this product here so you can retrieve my free bonuses offer by clicking the link down below in this video. So just keep an eye on my bonus banner here, and then we'll go from there. So now I'm here inside of the members area of Electrify. Now, to put it briefly, Electrify is a unique cloud-based software that allows anyone, even complete newbies, to finally start crashing in from the massive amounts of free traffic using Twitter. Now with 100% ease and completely left on autopilot, you can actually log in here and connect your accounts, and you can receive free traffic back to any link that you'd like to add in here. Now, highly targeted settings and full training provided for best results for you, so that you can enjoy complete satisfaction when you buy this amazing product. So if you have Twitter, I'm pretty sure everyone of you out there has Twitter account, then this is the way to start monetizing your affiliate links, or it could be anything that you'd like to promote by using this tactic of Twitter. Now, I want to talk about the benefits of this product. Now, Electrify actually is offering, when you grab any 2 upgrades from this program, the creators of this program will actually deliver a bonus. So they're gonna give away additional bonus when you upgrade 2 of their upgrades, or purchase 2 of their upgrades. Deliver you their bonuses worth over $12,000 absolutely for free. So right on my bonus page here, I actually posted the upgrades available for you to check out. And so any of the two upgrades over here, so once you upgrade 2 of the upgrade number 2, 3, then you can actually get free bonuses from the vendors, from the vendor of the Electrify. And so just keep that in mind. If you decide to upgrade 2 of their upgrades here that they're offering, you're gonna get up to 12,000 of bonuses worth for free. And also so basically with that upgrade, they will personally deliver it with a massive bonus worth over 12,000 on their behalf when they grab 2 upgrades. So meaning to say, once you upgrade this purchase, you can potentially increase your earnings from this method. And so this can pretty much only be offered for when you grab at least 2 upgrades. All right, and then apart from that, you can actually enjoy free traffic with this method, and you'll get millions of responsive buyers when you apply the methods from Electrify. And there's a cutting-edge automation software. This is actually a very smart tool that will automate everything for you, and all you got to do is just click one-time setup, and then you're all good. And then just pretty much as much as you can apply copy and bank templates. That's 30 times provided in this program. Also, these has tutorials, it's got case studies and support and more. And so this has been proven that it's gonna actually help you create income with this with this method, because they are going to show you case studies proving that this program is actually gonna work. Now over here is the members area of Electrify. So this is the main dashboard of the program, and if you click on the Twitter post, okay, so this is all your posts. This is where you can create your posts. So instead of going to your Twitter and posting your post, Electrify will let you create a new post. It lets you add your photo, your video, add a link or a text. Then you can pretty much post it this way easily. Then over here is when you go to the activity. Over here you need to download the extension Chrome of the Twitter. If you are using, I believe if you're using the Internet Explorer as well, you can pretty much download the extension as well, so you don't have to have a Google the Google, what do you call it, Explorer. And so download that. Once you've done that, then over here in the inbox is pretty much where you can enter keyword, select an account, and so much more. Here is the analytics of Electrify. It's gonna show you here. Right now it's not showing the analytics because I haven't inputted the data that I need to put on in here, because I wanted to show you what the Electrify software is gonna look like. And here is the schedule, so you can create a schedule on when you'd like to schedule your Twitter posts over here. So it's gonna pretty much it's gonna make it easier for you to post. Instead of just posting it at that moment, you can actually schedule your Twitter posts by using this schedule option. Here is the account manager. Then you can add start adding your Twitter profile and so much more. And over here is the file manager. So these are all the file manager media that you can take a look at. This is the caption option. So here you can add new captions and so much more. Here you can create your own watermark. And also once you've done that, you can actually put your logo in here and create a watermark for your content. And right here is the tutorial. So if you have any questions, or if you're curious to how Electrify works, just go in the tutorial, and here they are gonna provide you with the full training of how you can start applying the methods of Electrify. So all you gotta do is watch the video training here, and right here is pretty much like it's gonna tell you how you can connect your accounts training. And here is the auto activity training for the Twitter. So as you can see here, you need to download the extension file, and then so much more. And I also provided a demo video onto my bonus page. So if you want to take a look at that, if you click down below in the description of my video, I provided the link onto my bonus page, so you can take a look at the full demo of Electrify. And that's pretty much it for the Electrify members area. And we'll move on to my bonus page here. So now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Okay, I thought there was a sound. So anyway, if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Electrify, this is going to go live on August 29th, and that's when you'll be able to click on any of these green buttons here. That's gonna take you to the sales page, which looks like this. And then right over here is where you can actually go ahead and pick this up. And as you can see here, you're gonna get a $5 discount. So if you click on my bonus page link down below in the description of my video, you will get this $5 discount that's gonna pop up anytime soon, as soon as you click on that link. Now when you need to pick up my bonuses onto my bonus link before the countdown timer runs out, because my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now, to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly delivered to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page, and just scroll down and click on any of these green buttons here that's going to go through to the sales page, where you can go ahead and pick this up. And now if you have any questions about this, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, which you will find down below onto my bonus page here, and go ahead and follow me on my Facebook and send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now let's talk about the upgrades of Electrify. Now these bonuses, by the way, I'm offering to you, that I just mentioned to you earlier, is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is at the time of recording this video is only going to be one-time price of $17. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. So here are the available upgrades, and as a reminder, if you get any of the 2 upgrades for Electrify, you're gonna get an additional bonuses that's worth $12,000 from the vendors program. So the vendors are actually going to give you additional free bonuses that's worth $12,000 if you purchase 2 of the upgrades available for Electrify program. And now when you click the link down below in the description of this video to purchase Electrify, I will offer you my free bonuses. Now this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you my free bonuses. So make sure to click the link down below in the description of my videos. And if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, which you will find down below in the description of any of my review videos, or in my YouTube About Me section, and you can send me a message right there. And remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $17 during the launch period of Electrify. And once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses, because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch. And it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 1st. So make sure that you look out for that when you pick this up. Now all of my bonuses are all included even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be one-time price of $17. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Electrify review, and I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase Electrify at the discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of my video. Now I'll see you guys on my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video, and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video.